In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a natural shadow to your images using WordPress. Adding shadows can enhance the depth and dimension of your visuals, making them more appealing and professional looking. Let's dive right into the process of achieving that realistic effect. To begin with, ensure you have access to your WordPress dashboard. This is where you're going to make all the magic happen. Head over to the media library, where you have all your images stored. Once you're here, choose the image you'd like to work with. It's important to select an image where the shadow will not only complement but also enhance the overall aesthetic of your picture. After selecting your image, click on the Edit Image option. This is where you'll start making your adjustments. You're going to need a plugin to facilitate the shadow adding process effectively. If you haven't done this yet, go to Plugins on your dashboard, click Add New, and search for a plugin called Easy Image Effects. Over there, install and activate it. This handy tool will provide the features necessary to add shadows with ease and precision. Now that you have the plugin ready, revisit your media library and open the image editor again. You'll notice new options have appeared, thanks to the plugin. Look for the feature labeled Shadow. Don't be overwhelmed by the new interface, it's here to make your job easier. Here, you'll be presented with various shadow options. We're aiming to create a natural look, so select the Soft Shadow option first. This will give a subtle, yet realistic, effect. It's crucial to adjust the settings to perfect the shadow. You'll find sliders for opacity, blur, and distance. Start by adjusting the opacity. A good starting point would be around 50. This ensures the shadow isn't too harsh. Next, tweak the blur level. The higher the blur, the softer the shadow appears, providing a more natural look. Set it to around 30 for a balanced blend. Finally, manage the distance. This setting helps control how far the shadow extends from the image, usually keeping it close yields the most natural effect. Set the distance to around 10. Once you're happy with how the shadow looks, apply the changes. Before finalizing, have a look at the image preview to ensure everything looks perfect. Shadows should enhance, not overpower the image. When satisfied, don't forget to save your work. You can do this by clicking the Save button or equivalent confirmation option presented. That wraps up the process of adding a natural shadow to your image in WordPress. A subtle shadow can truly enhance the quality of your image, giving it a professional and polished finish. Remember to play around with the settings, as different images might require slight adjustments for the best possible result. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you feel more confident in stylizing your WordPress images.